Okay, we're at a Charlton Gully, and a brave car just went through, and it seemed to go through okay, so other cars are going to go through now. But when we first came here, the water was flowing with such force. Those cars on the other side are deciding what to do. Okay, this truck is going. If you're going, go. If you're not going, reverse. Well, he can't reverse now. There are cars behind him. Okay, let's see what happens. This is a Charlton Gully in the Kingston area. I think he's going to go. He's revving up his car to try to get some force to go through. The back of his car is very light, so let us get out of his way. Okay, he's going through. He went through very easily. The water level is lower now, and it's not coming down with as much force. Okay, it's definitely okay. Those cars are turning around. The rain is picking back up again, so this definitely is not going to work. There are cars behind us, so as soon as the cars either go through or turn around, we're going to turn around and go another way. It's not worth it. Okay, this vehicle went through quite easily. Here comes another vehicle. Okay, this car behind us is turning around, so we're going to turn around as well. Here comes a taxi. Let's see what he does. He's in a car, so he's thinking about it. I think he's gonna go. Okay, made it through. Here comes a pickup, which is much higher, so he should be okay. I'm going to reverse. Okay, well, here's another SUV. They went through quite easily. All the cars seem to be going through quite easily, so here's another SUV. Alright, well, I think we can go through because these SUVs are going through. Okay, wait a minute. Right, let's go. Let's see what happens. Okay, we made it through. I saw other SUVs doing it, so I said, you know what? Let's just go. But when we first arrived there, definitely it could not be passed. The water was flowing much with a lot more force, and the water level was much higher. Alright, so we just drove through the Charlton Gully while it was raining. So we're now heading towards the Constant Spring Road, or heading towards Constant Spring Road. Okay, so we're now going to turn left onto Constant Spring Road, and this road shouldn't have any problems with water or drainage because it was recently renovated. And when they're building the roads now, the drainage is a big part of the project. Alright, so we're now on Constant Spring Road heading towards the halfway tree area. This area is called Mary Brown's Corner. Not sure why. If anybody knows, they can leave a comment in the section below. As you can see, this road has no water issues, no drainage issues. As we said, it was recently renovated. Now you're going to find a lot of traffic congestion on the roads because some roads the water is still settling on the road because the drainage isn't that good on those roads, so you can't see the potholes. So cars have to take their time and drive through the water because they don't know when they're going to drop in a pothole. And as you saw, the gully that we were at, the Charlton Gully, a lot of persons not going to go through the gullies now because the water is very forceful or high, and they just don't want to risk it, so they stay on the main road, and that's more traffic for the main roads. Okay, I can't see the light. Okay, it's green. Okay, right here in front, if you look at the tire of the bus in front of us, you can see the drains, and you can see it's a very large drain. It goes right across the entrance. So that's one of the reasons why we're going to zoom in. There you go. You see how long that drain is? So that's one of the reasons why you don't have water backing up on this road. It has new drains, and the drains seem to be doing the work. Okay, it's now green, so we're going through. On the left is the entrance to the Oakland apartments, and on the right is West Avenue that will take us back to Washington Boulevard. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.